Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we're making some creamy red bean pasta and here are my ingredients that I'll be using. So of course I'm gonna put some water to boil, add some salt and a little bit of oil. And yeah, we're going to just leave this to cook until it is al dente, so not too soft and not too hard, right? And then pour off the water and set it aside to cool. And that is us. It is all done. So now I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil to my pot. Do not add a lot of oil, Vibes fam. So I went ahead and I sauteed one purple onion. Them say red, but me say purple. It's purple I see. You can use white if you want to, right? But go ahead and do that. And then I added 6 cloves of garlic chopped up nice and fine. And then yes, of course, stir those in, and then you're going to saute these for about 2 minutes, right? You're trying to get those nice flavors busting out because it's gonna do your meal justice. Here I'm adding some sweet pepper, red, yellow, green, blue. Well, there's no blue. But you know, all the colors. Green is my favorite. And go ahead and stir that up. Vibe Summit does your food wonders when you saute your veggies first. Trust me, the flavors come popping out. So what we're going to do after we finish stirring up, we're going to leave this just for about 2 minutes to go and sizzle. And just like that, so give it a nice little stir again, right? A lot of stirring taking place. It's okay. All right. So then now we're going to add some dried thyme, about a tablespoon, and about 2 teaspoons, sorry, of pimento powder. Now I prefer, because it's pasta and I don't want any pimento seed into my pasta, that is why I use pimento powder. And here I'm adding the red ring. Yes, 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 yes. Glisten nice is an understatement, right? And you guys can imagine the smell, what is taking place in the kitchen right now, right? All the goodness in the world. So go ahead and stir that up, and we are going to, I added some chili flakes just to give it a little bazazaza, right? Yeah, a little bit heat, just a little bit. And we're gonna cover that for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. By the way, your fire is on low, so 5 minutes. And then now Vibes Sam, I added 600 ml of double cream, or you can add use whipping cream. So depending on where you are, so it's double cream for me. So go ahead and stir that up. And Vibes Sam, you see where I was saying do not add a lot of oil. Did you see the oil earlier? So yeah, go ahead and mix that up, stir it up. Make sure you take those from the side, and what we're going to do, we're going to cover this and bring it to a boil. Cover it for about 5 minutes and bring it to a boil. Nice, nice, nice. Just gorgeous. Just all the gorgeousness in the world and all the smell. Listen, when me tell you to say, the place it smells so good. So after this, we're gonna go ahead and add our pasta, and I'm gonna add it a little at a time. So yeah, Vibes, I prefer to take my time and to add the pasta just so I don't add too much, right? But because I need some kind of cream to be on the on this thing. So here I'm adding some more, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and stir that up. And by now, make sure you taste it to make sure that everything is coming together, right? When you're cooking, taste as you go along. So here I'm adding some black pepper just to give it a little prick on the shoulder to say yeah, yeah, yeah. And I added some chopped up scallion, right? Stir that in. And as you guys can see, I did add a little more of the pasta to it, right? This is perfect for me. So if you prefer for your pasta to be like way more runny, then I guess you add less pasta, right? But I prefer it this way. So do you. So cover this for 5 minutes. And that is us. Bam, done. And by the way, it is pinini pasta, right? Yes, that one. But Vybz Sam, look at it, nice and creamy. Give it a stir, and then that is gonna be you. That's gonna be you, Vybz Sam. Nice and ready, 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 ready for your taste buds. Just so ready. All done. That's us, Vybz Sam. Look at it. Look at niceness. Look at niceness. Look at it. And Vybz Fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious bowl of creamy red bean pasta. Yes, nice and delectable, creamy. And Vybz Sam, this recipe, you need to try it. I'm not, listen, you don't want to try it, you need to try it. So I'm going to let you listen to a little clip because I gave my husband some of the pasta, and as I was filming this, I could not help but laugh, right? Because he was eating some of the pasta. But yeah, Vybz Sam, go ahead and check it out listening.
So like, what the what? Oh my god. Yes. That mother is good. This is crazy though.
Thank you. Vybz Sam, as you can see, it is shaking because I couldn't help but I was giggling. I was laughing, but I couldn't laugh out loud because I have to focus to hold the camera to give you still shots, but it wasn't still. It was shaking. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go and follow me over on Instagram. Thank you. God bless you.